I guess we're getting ready to do some welding. Well, hopefully. Get it, Mikey. This one's for you, Sheldon. Figured you'd like this. Hopefully the, man, I hope the bucket ain't burning up. What happened? Guess he's done. Maybe he's taking a break. Probably gonna have a smoke, huh?
No, he quit.
He quit?
Yeah.
He wants to come down?
No,
Oh, Mikey quit smoking? Really? Well, good for him. Hopefully the bucket won't start smoking. Well, look at that, Riley. That's just making it to the ground. Hope we don't lose a palm tree today. Yeah. Little aliens. Yeah. Oh, it's gobs metal? See how many you can catch. I'll give you a quarter for each one you catch. Yep, snowflakes on your tongue. Well, this is, everybody's seen this before. Have a great evening or good morning.